Hey guys, I'm just showing a little bit of how to make Christmas cards. This is what I am doing. I am trying to figure out what stuff that I want to use to put together simple Christmas cards. And right now, I'm taking a sheet that has cutter pops. These are considered cutter pops. And all I'm doing is I'm cutting them down just in case I want to use them on the front of my cards. Because some of them have sayings like this. And this is real easy, guys. If you want to make fast, easy Christmas cards, just go to the store, buy yourself at the Dollar Tree, wherever you want to go. Get yourself already card bases. These already, and then start making your cards. And this is, I'm already starting. I'm just trying to make a sample so I can follow the sample of how I do my Christmas cards. But I will show you guys, hopefully step by step, on how I am making these cards. But I just wanted to show you that I am taking these cutter pots and cutting them down. So I have some choices when I make my cards. And there you go, guys. See, they're all cut up. Card making time, guys. This is a simple way of making a card. Get a card base. When I'm at the Dollar Tree, you can get a set of 10. Pick out what kind of cardstock that you want to do. Me, I got my cardstock. I picked out what kind of pattern I'm using. I have a sheet of cutter parts that I cut out, and this is a simple way to make a Christmas card. So all you have to do is use some distress ink, put it around